Welcome back to my channel, boys and ghouls. Today I'm testing out these Folkart pre-mixed pouring paints. I stumbled upon them while I was at Michael's the other day. I've never seen anybody else try these out, so I figured why not? They came in at $7.99 a bottle. They're 8 fluid ounces, so that comes to just under $1 per ounce. So they are a little expensive compared to, say, the Deco Art Premixed or the Artist Loft Premixed. Deco Art comes in at about 77 cents an ounce, and Artist Loft is about 88 cents an ounce. But with any purchase from Michael's, I recommend finding some kind of coupon to use. They generally have 20% off if you look online. And I also had about $40 in reward points that I used when I bought these, so it did drop the price considerably. Otherwise, I would not have bought as many as I did at one time. Now, let's get into what I'm doing here. So for this first one, I'm going to be doing a double flip cup. I'm just putting down a base coat of black and white. Again, I'm using all Folkart, nothing else for this one. But as you'll see, the base coat didn't matter at all. The flip cups took over the whole thing. So the first thing I noticed is that these are way more fluid than I'm used to. As you can see, when I flipped them, they poured out of the bottom significantly. But overall, I think it was okay. It didn't cause the design to muddy too much or anything. I think the design actually held up pretty well. I do want to point out that I added a drop of silicone in between each layer of paint. This is why I have so many cells in this one. Now I'm just letting it rest to see what else develops or pops up. Alright, we're on to the next pour. Again, I'm only using the Folkart Premixed pouring paint. So this one I wanted to do more of a dirty ring pour. I did not add any silicone to this cup. Again, I'm just laying down a base coat. This is the Folkart White. But again, I didn't actually need the base coat, so oops. So I'm not sure if it's the consistency of this paint or how full I had the cup, but it seemed to have a really hard time getting started and wanted to cling to the outside of the cup rather than actually pour directly onto the canvas. Alright, I have it stretched to the point where I like the design, so I'm just going to let it rest and see if anything else develops or pops up. So my overall opinion on these paints is that they are usable. I think they're a little expensive for what they are because they are a bit watery and you don't get very defined lines. But I still think these two paintings came out beautifully. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried these. What's your opinion on them? Overall, I'm happy with these, and I will definitely use the rest of the paint that I have left. I also might consider buying these again, as long as I have pretty decent coupons to use. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon too so you're notified when I upload new videos. See you next time. Bye.